Be sure to grab a future XRP Millionaire t-shirt. We have a variety of designs and colors. We have the long sleeve shirt. We have your sweatshirt. Got a sweatshirt over there. We have your basic t-shirt, which come in again in a variety of different colors. You get blue, red, gray, slate, all these different colors, and they are quite affordable. Get the baseball tee. Be sure you don't miss out while supplies last. Hello, everybody. It is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. So Europe's Mali e-commerce platform plans to utilize XRP for payment benefits. Let's get into it and then I'll give my thoughts. XRP is to be adopted by Mali, a leading e-commerce platform in Europe. Recently, it has been revealed that Mali, one of the leading e-commerce platforms in Europe, might adopt XRP, which is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world. The news came up after a user asked the creator of XRP Tipbot, which I've done videos on in the past, on Twitter, quote, "I see that Mali accepts Bitcoin from their customers. Can you motivate them to implement XRP? Thanks in advance." Mali helps big companies and small companies find the right payment solutions for them. Currently, the platform has Bitcoin as one of the payment solutions, but has indicated that XRP might be used in the future as well. One Twitter user wrote, quote, "There is really no way to get more e-commerce exposure in the Netherlands than to have Mali add XRP, and the best thing is that they don't need another partner for XRP to euro conversion because the on-ledger decentralized exchange can handle it. Although that is the perspective of only the Netherlands, it is one of the largest networks in Europe. XRP has been one of the most adopted cryptocurrencies. It has recently been listed on Singapore-based exchange KuCoin. The XRP community has also been asking other exchanges, such as Binance, to use XRP as a base currency. However, the decision was not yet taken. So the other day I put out a video about Ripple and XRP moving into the Chinese and the Asian markets. And now we have more details that they're also going to be moving into the European markets. Now, this is interesting because this is more of a natural partnership. See, a lot of the partnerships Ripple does is they go out and they talk to people, they get the partnership going. This happened a bit more organically. This kind of was just like, hey, it would make sense for us to utilize XRP for our payments, and voila, it very well is likely going to be happening. So awesome news there. Next up, crypto whales have nearly doubled their Ethereum holdings this year. The 2018 bear market has been gut-wrenching for many investors, with the Bitcoin price down 80% from its all-time high and many other assets suffering from declines of 90% or greater. Prices have fallen so far and stayed down for so long that many investors who bought cryptocurrency in early 2017 but remain profitable are now beginning to cash out before that changes. However, at least when it comes to Ethereum, blockchain data indicates that large-scale holders, called whales, have been hodling through this downturn and have bought the dip, significantly growing the size of their holdings. According to research from Dyer, there are currently 500 actively traded Ethereum addresses among the largest 1,000 addresses. These wallets have accumulated massive amounts of Ether during 2018, growing their Ethereum holdings by 80% since January, more than any other period in Ethereum's history. As of the end of November, these addresses collectively held 20 million Ether, funds worth more than $2.2 billion, and constituting nearly 20% of the circulating supply of Ether. You could see on this graph the 4x since 2017. Now, Dyer attributes the growth in whale holdings to investors sourcing ICO tokens, which have been performing pretty badly because of growing pressures from the SEC. From the report, quote, "The massive growth of Ether holdings by active whales could and most likely is the result of traders exiting the trading of tokens, most of which have been paired with Ethereum, which has plummeted by all accounts versus the start of the year." So interesting here, we see whales really increasing their Ethereum holdings. Part of it is they're getting rid of their ICO tokens, which like 90% of ICOs have failed. and they are keeping it in Ethereum. So is this a bullish sign for Ethereum? It very well could be, because it's showing that they'd rather have the actual Ether versus some ERC20 token. Look, there are great ICOs out there. ICO market is not dead by any means. It is just really undergoing some changes, and I think we're going to hit a point with the ICO market where it stabilizes and you have a sort of a much smaller market for ICOs, but a lot less, hype that is, not warranted. So we'll see with the ICOs going forward what happens with them. Next up, crypto exchange Poloniex has launched institutional trading service. Crypto exchange Poloniex has announced the opening of a trading service for institutional clients. The company, which was acquired by payments firm Circle earlier this year, said Tuesday that it will begin offering institutional accounts with support for different cryptocurrency trading peers and API interfaces. The exchange will also provide no-fee transactions for all Bitcoin to USD coin traders in December. As part of its new account, Circle is offering OTC trading through Circle Trade Services through Poloniex and trading pairs with USDC stablecoin, according to a registration page. Firms looking to participate in OTC trading must issue a minimum size order of $250,000. So this is good because we're starting to see more and more exchanges and payment processors and crypto companies expand into the institutional side of things. Now, the whole OTC thing is not exactly positive because it doesn't affect prices as much as actually going and buying it on the normal exchange, but it still does help because it does actually it does give the market a bit of a bump, especially because eventually when we get more products out there, they are going to likely utilize the exchanges. So I would write this off as a somewhat positive story. All right, so next up we have the markets today. A little bit of an uptick. Bitcoin just under 4K, 39.56, just about 4K. XRP up 1%, Ethereum up 2%. Biggest gainer on the day is Freecoin up 141%, and Waves up 41.20%. Biggest loser today is Centrality with 10% and Dogecoin with 7%. Total Bitcoin dominance is at 53.8%, market cap at 127 billion US dollars, almost 128. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great day. Corporations, governments, and cyber criminals all want your private data. Be sure to protect it with IPVanish. Link is in the description.